Hi, good day. The team is made of Angie, Uriel, Beto, and myself. We are going to talk about the subject of legal psychology. What is legal psychology? Legal psychology is a branch of a specialty of psychology which tries to apply the basic and experimental knowledge and techniques of psychology to study of human behavior in its different facets with the legal field, court, penitentiary, or victim assistance, evaluation and diagnosis. The psychological behavior of the legal actor, judge, lawyer, protectors, victims, criminals in Alien's way. Analysis. Advice. Psychologists specialists in the area bring their experience and knowledge to advise judicial bodies on the psychological uses. They can assist in the psychological evaluation of the suspected criminal. Specialists in the discipline can develop integration and rehabilitation programs for legal actors at the societal level or the prison level. Training. Legal psychologists can provide training to judges, lawyers, police, or prosecutors, among other on psychological uses that may be useful in the work.
Procedures, techniques, and instruments. The legal psychology uses and has good techniques of psychology evaluation to use. Striving to develop evaluation instruments appropriate to the context of application, areas of action, and a more specific one. We can consider the role of the legal psychology and its function according to the areas mentioned above. Psychology applied to courts. The psychology applied to the courts or forensic refers to those activities that the psychology can carry out in the forum. Legal and minor psychology applied to family law, psychology applied to civil, labor and criminal law, legal and minor psychology.
Hi, and psychology applied to family law and psychologists and must advise and the youth in the process of separations and divorce in the measures to be adopted with respect and to the children and minors allows in the case and the foster in can and adoptions. Their functions in the family occur in use and the technicals and reports of the specialist requires in big course and in the process of the rupture of couples with children and separation, divorces, etc. And use reports and on the especially in the others. Situation repairs in the family loans, guardianships, foster care, adoption, etc. And follow on the case advice to the youths and the procedures. Psychology applied to civil law, the activity of the psychologists in relation to civil workforce, on the division and the experience of the various legal communication the capacities in decision making and contrast, guardianships, wills, exchange, etc. And those actuations and the susceptible to words in the psychology and Friedel with civil law.
Hi, I am Uriel. Psychology applied to criminal law, a basic task of forensic psychology in the diagnostic and evaluation of people involved in criminal proceedings that will serve as the youth, a court, to determine the circumstance that might modify criminal responsibility, moral and damage psychology consequence. For example, one user reports on the psychology in the testimony, for use reports for youths and the court and accused a victim. 3. Select and energize the jurors. 4. Advise and mediate in penalty service matters. Prison psychology become part of the Spanish penitentiary institutions.